One of the major features in Ads Manager is the ability to make changes across a wide range of campaigns, ad sets, or ads. Let's look at an example of how this works. Let's say you've created a campaign with multiple ad sets, and all of those have the United States and Canada as your target countries. Now, after looking through your advertising results, you decide to only target the United States. You could go into each ad set individually and change your targeting, or you can highlight multiple ad sets and make only one change. That change will then apply to all the ad sets that you've selected. Let me show you how that looks. Here you can see that I'm in Ads Manager. You can access yours through your personal profile by selecting the down arrow at the top right of your screen. From that drop-down menu, you're going to see Manage Ads, and that's what you're going to select. That'll automatically pop you into Ads Manager. Now, to make the change I'm talking about, I'm going to select the Ad Sets tab. This is where I'm going to choose the locations and make edits that I talked about. Once selected, I'm going to choose Edit. I'm going to scroll down and take a look at the locations. And this is where I'm going to make these edits. Now notice that all three ad sets have the same locations. If this isn't the case, it would show up as a mixed preset. So say one ad set had another location or didn't have all these three, it wouldn't show up as clearly and it would say mixed set. And then you can reset it so that it goes back to its original state. But from here, all three ad sets have Canada, Los Angeles, and Santa Barbara as a target location. I wish to take out Canada, so what I'm going to do is simply exit out. Now that has been completed, I'm going to choose Review and Publish. It's here I can review the draft items before it goes into the final publish. It looks great, and I'm going to choose the green Publish button. Here on the main dashboard, these main items have been published, and I can see that this change has been made across all ad sets. So like I spoke of earlier, what happens if some of the information or the ad set selected is not uniform? To show you what I mean, I've gone ahead and selected one ad set. And I'm going to add Mexico as an option. I'm going to publish those changes, and once that's completed, it's going to take me back to the main dashboard. From here, I'm going to select the ad sets that I wish to make the bulk changes to and choose Edit. It's here under Locations that I can see that I have mixed values. This signals to us that some of the ad sets have different locations. And we have a couple of choices. We can choose to reset, and that allows us to start choosing locations all over again. Again, all the locations we choose will be applicable for all the ad sets selected. We can also keep it mixed, perhaps because that's part of our strategy. Or we could then find the odd set out and ensure that it matches the location of the other ones. So you have an ability to bulk update campaigns, ad sets, and ads. And this is just a quick example of how that is going to look in Ads Manager. Working in bulk will improve your workflow and add a new level of efficiency to help you manage large-scale campaigns. I'd certainly give it a couple test runs before implementing. You always have the option of easily discarding your changes at the bottom of Ads Manager, and you'll see where it says Discard Drafts. Do not be afraid to experiment with this feature.